Is up 7%. What's going on, guys? We broke the 140, the major resistance at the market open, as you can see here, or today in the pre-market and after hours. We have a really good breakout here, guys, and the price held our support, the 117. So this is a good warning sign. That's why we have to discuss AMC, and GameStop is still holding the 2137, the support where the whale entered back and last earning on March. That's why we're still consolidating and we're still a bit in green, but GameStop didn't break the resistance around the 2316. Before we go further, remember our content always for education purposes only, and of course remember we always do update on our Discord and Patreon, the link in the description below, guys. Yesterday we did a really good update for AOI before the reversal that happened yesterday before the close and today. So let us discuss GameStop first, because the breakout didn't happen yet. So watch out, guys. GameStop might move after the huge move that happened for AMC, 7%. The volume is a bit low on GameStop. The good thing for GameStop is holding the 2137, and right now we got a buyer. We're gonna confirm one thing, guys. If we have a big buyer for GameStop, we should do today at least 5% or 6% to break the current resistance around the 2318, and this will be a very good sign that the market makers start to buy GameStop, and we might have the 26 and the 30 after that. For AMC, the move already happened, guys. Really good reaction. We didn't even test the 117. We reversed before it. We broke the $1.41, and we got a test at the market open today, confirming this support, and right now is 9% up. I'm gonna update the resistance right now around this is the squeeze zone, for my opinion, around the 194 or just over the $2 for AMC. Right now almost 10%, so if we did another 30% will be like the sign for a squeeze starting for AMC to go at least around the 249 or 247 and the 346. So we got two level, guys, for the major squeeze zone. And for my opinion, the major squeeze zone right now is breaking around or over the 250. This will be a squeeze, mega squeeze for AMC, for my opinion. Right now, the 194 will be the first sign of squeeze. The major sign squeeze is breaking the 250 and go over this level. So if we broke this level, we might have to do 66%. And of course, we already did that last month. We did almost 90% in just 2 weeks. So this one will take a bit of time, but if we did, we might have another 66% toward the 250, and this will confirm that the market makers start to buy, because it's not just here. It means they waited for this pullback, as you can see here, for another buy and another leg up for this started the bullish trend continuation, because as you can see here, every time we have a push back up, continuation down, and new low. For now, we need to change this trend to go up and break over the $2. And of course, the thing that changed right now from the last bad earnings, this is by far the best good earnings that we got since 2025. Hopefully this one will confirm with the earnings that we got back in the 5th of May, and we get at least the $2.50 and the $3 and maybe even the $5.50, the ultimate squeeze zone for AMC for this year. So let me know, guys, what you think. Are we gonna have this price target? Because right now price target is around the 196, analyst price target around our level that we discussed early on, and the level that we tested before the earnings around the 194. So this is a critical moment actually for AMC for a squeeze pretty soon happening, maybe the end of this month or before the end of this year.